I tried to save that piece of inlay. There's the other. Sorry about this camera work. There's the others, but it's not allowing me to shine it up there. It kind of got like hollowy and kind of nasty looking inside. I scraped off anything that looked darker underneath, because this side was a lot thinner than that side, and I filled it underneath with crushed mother of pearl, thinking that that would, you know, maybe help give some sparkle back, but it's not showing through. I think that nasty looking thing is what it is. I need to get this back out, and I've super glued it in. Drill a little hole on that side, and then I can just drop a drop of this super glue debonder down that hole, and hopefully that will loosen it. If not, it's probably going to have to just get down in there with like something that I can twist it with, and that may just like break it. So we'll have to just see. But in the meantime, I decided I'm going to just cut white, just new pieces in white. I'm expecting to go through a lot of blades because I'm not very good at this kind of stuff. I've done a lot of practice though, I'm trying. Hey, I just wanted to share a quick life laundry tip. You know how like when you hang a shirt on a washing line, it takes quite a lot of space. You know, you hang it like so or upside down, whatever, it takes a lot of space. Put them on hangers. They dry the right shape. You can put them straight back into your wardrobe. I don't know anybody else who does this. I've not seen it done on video anywhere, but it works. So these things are so dangerous, I feel. I was doing it with my hand, with my fingers before, but it was just too close for comfort. I dropped a piece on the floor. If I have, I need to find it. Pets. Yep. Safe for the cats. They're good, but they're so finicky. Better than the cheaper blades that I was using before. Drill. I need to hold it down. I'll find out. Huh. I went straight through it, look. Look at that. I didn't even need to drill. Can you see that? It's gone straight through. Crazy. Let's try the debonder. So this is Everbuild super glue debonder. I'll just cut that off. Hello Robin, I see ya. He talks to me. Thank you for the seeds. I'm not going to get that anywhere else on the fretboard. I don't know. So just to take a precaution. Fuck. Excuse me. This is the wind blowing my little spray tank. In case you're wondering what's that. Right, in she goes. It says to wait 30 seconds. So I don't know what happened to the inlay. I didn't think heat would affect it like that. Heat from the iron. There was an old glue behind there. Maybe it was the way the old glue reacted. It's just weird. Because I used the iron to get the rest out. I dug them out sooner than I did this one, which I wasn't really trying to do at that time. I was just trying to get the whole board off. So maybe too much heat is what's caused that. Didn't think inlay would react to it like that. Pretty sure we've had 30 seconds now. I don't think there's any difference, to be honest. I'm gonna, well, there's probably not a fair crack of the whip for the debonder to see its test as to whether or not it works. I think if I should get my hand stuck to the table or something like that. Okay, that is coming out. And I may need to use the assess that mother pearl brush powder that you're seeing coming out. I guess the glue didn't hold that together. Maybe I should have done that by itself first, like from the bottom of the inlay. Did it upside down, outside of the fingerboard, let it set there and then put it in. Maybe that would have worked better, who knows. If it had chance to dry in the air. You know what, I'm going to put some more of this in just to see. So I think that down there is wet already, I think. Look, that powder is still crumbly. 30 seconds. If that messes with the wood, I'll go mad. I guess I could just drill some holes in it then. This isn't going to work. Okay, very fine little holes in there, just sort of broke through and tore the wood, and now I should be able to just dig those out. Getting there. All the time. If it's just round dots, like what I've seen is that you could then just take out that drill bit, after you drilled a hole in it, and then turn it upside down, put it in the hole and wiggle it, and that will just take out the whole dot. I've given this guitar a few coats of my magic tone paint. This is Kingfisher Blue. This camera doesn't show it too well, to be honest. It makes it look more like a light blue than it actually is. If you look at the guitar, you can definitely see more green in that guitar, and that's why it's named Kingfisher Blue. But yeah, that just needs 1 or 2 just light touches to get that flake near the top and let that spangle and sparkle more. Once that's dried, I can start giving that a gloss.